Hello, welcome to Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Hello, my student. This is your Nathan sir. Today I am not going to waste my time. I just wish to give you some questionnaire about arithmetic progression. This questionnaire will help class 10th student ICSC as well as CBSE. If you find any difficulty, go and find the link which is given in description about two videos which earlier I posted. So now I am going to start my teaching. See children, already I have written here frequently asked question, arithmetic progression, hashtag ICSC and CBSE, above that my channel name Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Now see the first question. The first question will revise your the formula. The fourth term of an AP is 22. The fourth term of an AP is 22 and the 15th term is 66. Find the first term and the common difference, hence find the SN of 8 terms. First of all, fourth term you write like this. First of all, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So fourth term A4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 3D is equal to 22. Then A15 A plus 14D is equal to 66. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now very simply minus, eliminate A, minus minus minus, cancel. This is minus 11D is equal to minus 44, D equal to 4. Your first answer. Find the first term and the common difference. Common difference is here. So from 1, A plus 3D, A plus 4 into 3 is equal to 22. So A is equal to 10. 4 3 are 12, subtracted from 22, 10. Now the second part. Hence find the SN of 8 term. SN of 8 term. So SN formula N by 2. See the revision of the previous knowledge. 2A plus N minus 1 D. This is the basic. Write the formula. N equal to 8. 8 by 2. A equal to 10, 2 into 10 plus 8 minus 1, 7. D is equal to 4. So this is 4. 20 plus 28, 7 4 ja. So this is 20 plus 28, 48. 4 into 48, 4 8 ja 32, 192. This is your answer. A very simple. When you start your arithmetic, always start with the basic question. So the formula will all the time revise. Now moving toward the second question. The sum of 3 term is in AP is 27. If this type of question, sum of 3 term, how to let the AP? A minus D, A plus D. These are the 3 terms. So this implies what? Sum of A minus D plus A plus D equal to 27. DD cancel, 3A equal to 27, A equal to 9. And their product A minus D, A plus D, that is 405. So A minus D and A plus D, A square minus D square multiply by A equal to 9. 405. 9 9 ja 81 minus D square. 9 divide this 40. This is 9 4 ja 36. 9 4 ja 36. 9 45. So 81 minus 45 is equal to D square. D equal to plus minus, that is 36 6. Find the numbers. Now you put D equal to plus minus 6. So maybe first of all then positive. So A is equal to A minus D. A equal to 9. 9 plus 9 minus 6, 3. Then A is equal to 9, and then A plus D, 15. Or if A equal to 9, and I am going to write D equal to minus 6. So 9 minus 6, that is 15. We will reverse this order. Then A 9, and then 3. This is your answer. The basic thing. Now coming toward the third question. Find the sum of integer between 100 and 200 that are divisible by 6 or not divisible by 6. Two part. First of all, 100 to 200. First of all, we have to find which number is divisible by 6 after 100. 16 6 are 96. First number A equal to 102. 17 6 are 102. This is the common sense. And when divisibility, so D equal to 6. Then find the sum of integer. We don't know an. We have to check the last value. How to check last value? Do the rough part. How? 200, this is the rough, divided by 6, because we are going to check the divisibility of 6. So last number which is divisible by 6 before 200. 6 3s are 18. 20, 6 3s are 18. So remainder 2. So an is equal to 198. 200 minus 2. This is your rough part. So an equal to 198. So this is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. 198. A equal to 102 plus n minus 1 d we don't know. Sorry, d we know, that is 6. N we don't know. So now this will be subtracted. 6 96, n minus 1 6, 16, n minus 1, so n equal to 17. How many numbers was divisible by 6? 17. How many number divisible by 6? 17. Find the sum of integer between 100 and 200 that are divisible by 6 or not divisible by 6. So first of all, we have to find the sum of, this is n Sn of 17 term, n by 2, 2a, n minus 1 d. See the basic. So n 17 by 2, a equal to 102, 204 plus 17 minus 1, 16 into 6. So this is 17 by 2 multiplied by 204, 16 6 are 96, 20, 150, that is 300. So this will be 150. So 0, 17 5 are 85, 17 and 8 25. This is the total number which is divisible by 6. The sum of the total number, that is 2550 between 100 and 200. Now which is not divisible by 6? Which is not divisible by 6? So first of all, between 100 to 200. So first number 101. We have to find the sum of between 100 to 200. Last number 199. D altogether natural number, difference 1, an equal to 199. So we will put here a plus n minus 1 d equal to 199. A equal to 101, n we don't know, d equal to 1. This will be subtracted. So n minus 1 equal to 98, n equal to 99. So S99, I am writing directly 99 by 2, 2a, 2 into 101 plus 99 minus 1, 98 multiplied by d. d is 1. So this is 99 by 2, 202 plus 98. So 99 multiplied by 150 is equal to 0, 15 9 are 135, 15 9 are 135 and 13, 148. This is the sum of 101 to 199. So the number which is not divisible by 6, Sn of not divisible by 6. 14850 minus 2550. The total sum minus divisibility by 6. So there 50 minus 50, 00, 8 minus 5, 3, 4 minus 2, 2. This is a very good question in AP. Check. Now moving toward the next part. The sum of first n terms of AP is this. What is given here? Sn. Sn is given. Sn is equal to 3n plus 3n square plus 5n. First of all, what is the meaning of S1? Wait, this is equal to 8. S1 means first term, 8. So S2 means what? T1 plus T2. First two term sum. 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12. 5 2 ja 10. This is 22. T1 plus T2. Now T1 is equal to what? 8. So 8 plus T2, 22. T2 equal to 14. T2 equal to 14. So it means what? Common difference. 14 minus 8, 6. 14 minus 8. Yeah, 6. So this implies AP is 8, 14, 20 and so on. Now find the number of term which is equal to 152. Find the number of term which is equal to 152. So An equal to 152. So A plus n minus 1 d 152. A equal to 8 plus n minus 1, this is 6, 152. So n minus 1 6 is equal to 144. So n minus 1 is equal to 24. 24 6 is 144. This is Nitin sir. N equal to 25. I am using different colors so you don't have any confusion. So now moving toward the next question. If Sn denote the sum of, if Sn denote the sum of first n term of an AP, same question. Prove S12 is equal to, first of all, Sn, n by 2, 2a, n minus 1, d. Children are always confused in this type of question. Why I don't know. Now you write, first of all, S12. S12 means 12 by 2, 2a plus 12 minus 1, 11, d. This is 6, 2a plus 11d. Then you write S8. Directly I am writing n by 2. That is 4, 2a, 4 minus a, 8 minus 1, 7d. Then already I have written the formula. No need to repeat it. Then S4. S4 is 4 by 2, 2, 2a plus 3d. Now, what to find? S12 is equal to 3. Now, S8. S8 is 4, 2 ja 8a, 4 2 ja 8a plus 28d. I am multiplying. Minus S4, 2 2 ja 4a plus 6d. Bracket 3. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. 4a plus 28 minus 6. 2d. Take common 2. This is 6. 2a plus 11d. This is S12. Proved. My dear, go along with your Nitin sir. You don't have any problem in arithmetic progression. A very easy chapter. Then I have seen, this is my experience in this type of question, children have some problem. That's why I have selected, I just wanted to end with this question of this chapter. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner, 20 log in the bottom. So what is the question? Question is, this is your bottom. How many logs are here? 20. How many logs are here? 20. In last row, 20. Then second last row, 19. Then second, 18. Like this, some rows are there and they will stack together. हिंदी में जब लकड़ियों को इकट्ठा किया जाता है तो नीचे वाले लेवल पे सबसे ज़्यादा होते हैं, उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे डिक्रीज करता है. दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट. सो फर्स्ट टर्म इज 20. D equal to 19 minus 20 minus 1 and Sn equal to 200 logs. 200. I have written with the red. So you just think this is a good question. Now apply the formula Sn. N by 2, 2a. See my good habit. As a teacher, at least I am following this formula in every question. So you also develop this habit. N we don't know. 2a 40 plus n minus 1 minus 1 d की value and Sn equal to beta and friends 200. Sorry, this become my habit. I will eliminate very soon. Your Nitin sir. My full name is Nitin Mukesh. My channel name is Mukesh Ravi. Do not confuse why it is Mukesh Ravi. I have three nickname. Another one is also, but I will disclose in the next video. Okay, fine. So sometime we have to talk also. So 200, this 200 into 2, 400, sorry, is equal to, no confusion, 400 n 40 minus n, minus minus plus 1, 400, now 40 plus 41 n minus n square. So here n square minus 41 n minus, not minus, plus 400 is equal to 0. Now if you have any confusion how to do middle term, go and see the factorization already posted. Yesterday I have posted and I told this will be very helpful in class 9th and 10th. Now n square minus 25 n minus 16 n plus 400 is equal to 0. N is common, n 25 minus 16 is common, n minus is equal to 0. So n minus 25, n minus 16. So this implies n equal to 16, n equal to 25. Now why I selected this question? Because of this two answer. Sometime what happened, now you will stuck with here n equal to 16, n equal to 25, which will be the exact answer, because these are two natural number, positive natural number, and we know that a number is perfect, so we have to take both number. So here what we observe, final answer is 200 logs placed, and how many logs are there in the first row? First of all we will find with first row. So suppose an equal to a plus n minus 1 d. A is equal to 20 plus 16 minus 1 15, that is minus 1, so this is 15. This is 15. This is 5. So in last row 5. This is your complete answer. But you find here note. Why I have not taken 25? Now 5. Now we know that minus 1. So 5 minus 1. Suppose After 16, 17. 17 is 4. 18. 18 is 3. 19. 19 is 2. 20 is 1. 21 is 0. And then 22 to 25. Minus 1. That is minus 2. Minus 3. Minus 4. Now you check these sums giving you total 0. So in the answer you have to write this note or in the rough part. So teacher understand, you know the concept why you have not chosen n equal to 25. Okay friends or my dear student, this is the end of the arithmetic progression. If you wish, please write your comment, subscribe my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye.